Hello and welcome. So as we mentioned earlier today in our daily market video, that today we await the release of the US jobs report. So we're gonna go over some of the major employment indicators that were released earlier this week and talk a little bit about the expectations for today's numbers. So the ADP and non-farm employment change was released on Wednesday. We had a reading of 129,000 versus expectation of 184. The previous reading was 183,000 and got revised higher to 197. The ISM non-manufacturing employment picked up to 55.9 from 55.2. ISM manufacturing employment jumped to 57.5 from 52.3, which is good and significant change. Initial jobless claims 4-week average dropped to 213.5 from 229,000, which is also good. So most of these indicators or labor job market indicators are good except for the ADP non-farm employment change. The NFP is expected to come in today at 175,000. The previous reading was 20,000. It is highly expected that this reading could be revised higher. Private non-farm payrolls expectations of 170,000. Unemployment rate is expected to remain near 3.8 level. 3.8% level, while participation rate holding 63.2. The average hourly earnings, there are high expectations that it rose 0.2% month on month in March versus previous reading was 0.4%, while the average hourly earnings year on year is expected to remain at 3.4%, which is a high level. We're gonna go over some of the major charts of major instruments that they get affected with the job report. So the euro dollar, we usually see good moves in euro dollar following the release of the US jobs report. So any negative or any soft report could lead this pair higher, especially we've been seeing this pair finding resistance near the 200-hour exponential moving average for a couple of times. So any weaker than expected figures should be able to drive this pair higher towards a high of 1255 and maybe 1285. Any strong reading could take it lower towards a low of 112 and again to retest the lows of 1180 and maybe lower. The USDJPY, it was clear that we've been trading in an uptrend for the past couple of days. We are trading near a 3-week high of 1180. A positive reading for the dollar could take it higher towards 112.30 and maybe 112.60. With a negative report could lead this pair to drop towards the 100-hour exponential moving average near 111.40 and maybe find some support again at 111.20 near the 200-hour exponential moving average. Gold prices are trading in a tight range. It was clear that we've been trading in a tight range awaiting this report, so it is also clear on the daily chart. We can here see gold prices for the past couple of days trading in a tight range. So any change or any good changes in the labor figures in the United States could take prices either higher or lower. So a better than expected report could take prices lower again towards 1281 and maybe this year's low of 1276, while a disappointing figure could lead gold prices to retest the highs of 1300 and maybe 1307 again. So this is all about the NFP mainly. We wish you great and successful trading, and this is all, and thank you.